wild raccoon comes in garage.
Plays with dog.
It'd be great if we could pick Tank up and the raccoon would start getting nasty.
Maybe that's
Who's gonna win?
Maybe that's how
I don't know.
raccoons play
But the loser gets a 22 pal. 22 throw him. No need to go to the vet.
Maybe the raccoons play like that together.
Oh, I'm sure they do.
She's got that tackle in her arm. She's like, you know what? I kind of have a thumb here, buddy. I can get you.
Oh boy, tankers.
He's being nice to her because he could squish her down to the ground.
Oh, and she could squish him down. She's got those hands that she could lock on there tight and really sharp teeth compared to his.
So when did all this happen? Did they start playing together?
Last week,
Yeah.
start bringing them out.
That might be a good thing. Get some aggression out of it.